Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix RedNote not opening. If the RedNote won't open on your iPhone or Android device, do not worry. This problem is usually caused by a temporary app glitch, an outdated version of the app, or a network issue. So firstly, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or the mobile data. You need to try opening a new website or another app to confirm that your connection is working properly. And next, completely close the RedNote app. Once you open your RedNote app, completely close it and open it again. And next is you need to open to your app store and check for the RedNote app if there's any updates available, and install any available updates, and running the latest version of the app can resolve bugs and improve stability. And that is it. That's how you can fix RedNote if it's not opening in most cases. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.